Hello everyone, my name is Elsie Thompson, and in today's presentation, I will be focusing on how I will foster a caring environment and personal connections among students as a culturally responsive teacher on the topic ethnic groups in Guyana. There are 6 ethnic groups in Guyana. 1. The Amerindians. The Amerindians were the first person who came to Guyana. The Africans. The Africans were brought to Guyana as slaves during colonial era by the Dutch, British, and French. Europeans. The Europeans first arrived in Guyana during the colonial era and worked as managers and traders. The East Indians. The East Indians came to Guyana as indentured servants from India during British colonial rule. They were brought to the country to work on the sugar plantations after slavery was abolished in 1834. The Chinese. The Chinese immigrants came to Guyana in the 18th and 19th, largely working as laborers, shopkeepers, and merchants. The Portuguese. The Portuguese first arrived in Guyana as indentured servants in the 18th and primarily working in the sugar industry. As a culturally responsive teacher, here are some ways I can foster a caring environment and personal connections among students. 1. Embrace diversity. As a teacher, I can encourage diversity in the classroom and create an inclusive atmosphere by respecting every student's culture, religion, race, and gender. I can encourage students to share their experiences, background, and their traditions so they can learn and appreciate each other's differences. Second, I have built trust with students. As a teacher, I can build trust with students to create a caring environment. As a teacher, I can achieve this by showing care and concern for each student's well-being. I can get to know each student personally by understanding their unique needs and learning styles. Lastly but not least, collaborative learning. Collaborative learning can bring students of different backgrounds together. As a teacher, I can encourage teamwork and allow students to work in groups. Peer students from different ethnicity to work together. This collaborative approach will foster a caring and respectful classroom environment. In conclusion, cultural responsiveness creates a caring environment and establishes personal connections among students. By fostering inclusion, celebrating diversity, and understanding students on an individual level, teachers can create an optimal learning environment of all students, regardless of their background or ethnicity.